Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reimagined by Jacqueline. Today's video is really special because we're getting so close to having 500 subscribers. I wanted to take some time to reflect on this journey, share some of the progress I've made so far, and talk about what this milestone means to me. It's hard to believe it's been just 6 months since I started this channel. I remember uploading my very first video, feeling super nervous and wondering if anyone would even watch it. I certainly kept my eye on the analytics, and I was pleasantly surprised to actually see the number of views grow. Fast forward to today, I've published 84 videos. Yes, 84. That's a lot of hours spent brainstorming, creating, recording, editing, making oops, and just trying to improve. Over the past 6 months, my videos have received 43,000 views. The most views on one video was 9.6 thousand views. I'm honestly blown away by that number. Knowing that so many people have watched something I created, it's surreal. And now we're closing in on 500 subscribers, which feels like an incredible milestone. For me, hitting 500 subscribers isn't just about the number. It's a reminder of what's possible when you stay consistent and keep showing up, even when things feel slow. I'll be honest, I don't feel like I have a super engaged community yet, but that's okay. This milestone is proof that progress takes time and that every small step matters. What makes this milestone so special is that it represents growth, not just for the channel, but for me as a creator. When I started, I had no idea what I was doing. I just knew that deep down I wanted to give YouTube a try, even though I am over 60. But each video taught me something new. I kept learning, and I'm proud of how far I've come. So what's next for the channel? I'm definitely not slowing down. I want to keep improving my content and exploring new ideas. I've learned so much over the last 84 videos, and I'm excited to see where the next 84 takes us. I'd also love to hear from you. If you have suggestions for the type of content you want to see, drop them in the comments below. Your feedback means so much and will help me grow even more. Before I wrap up, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who subscribed and watched my videos. Whether you've been here from the start or just found my channel recently, you're part of this journey, and I couldn't have done it without you. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join me as we hit this milestone together. Let's make it to 500 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.